Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the language of your Facebook app on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to customize the language settings. 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Locate and tap on the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, situated at the top right corner of the screen. 3. Next, tap on the gear icon, also located at the top right corner of the screen. 4. Scroll down the settings menu and find the option labeled Language and Region. 5. Tap on Language and Region, where you will be able to select and change your preferred app language from the available options. By following these steps, you can easily change the language of your Facebook app to suit your preferences. Customizing the language settings allows you to navigate and interact with the app in a language that is most comfortable for you. Changing the language on your Facebook app can enhance your user experience and make using the app more convenient and enjoyable. Whether you prefer to use Facebook in your native language or explore a new language, adjusting the language settings is a quick and simple process. We hope this tutorial helps you in changing the language of your Facebook app. Thank you for watching.